Hello my beautiful darlings, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day and thank you for watching. Today we're going to talk about how to improve your net worth and how to find feminine friends and like-minded women and truly make sure that you have a good network around you, because that has a really big impact on you, on your life, on your mental health, on how you feel, and on your confidence. So if you want to know more, keep on watching. But first, just wanted to let you know that if you want to see more of my content, I talk about fashion, femininity, old Hollywood glamour, seduction, dating, and anything to level up and to make you become the best version of yourself. Feel free to subscribe down below. Also, don't hesitate to follow me on my Instagram, which is at Lisa Hairstyle. And if you want some more personal advice, don't hesitate to join my Patreon. You have probably heard your network is your net worth. Pay attention to the people that surround you. Pay attention to the people that are around you. Are they holding you back from living your life? Are they holding you back from what you want? Are they holding you back from your dreams? There's an expression that says that you are the 5 people that you spend the most time with. That is the kind of mentality that really successful people have, because they surround themselves with successful people, with people that adds value to them. So I'm not saying you should just hang around with rich people. I'm just saying to pay attention to who you surround yourself with. Are those people positive? Are they respectful towards you? And do you develop good friendships, or are they jealous? Are they bitter? Are they a little bit, you know what I'm talking about, those kind of people that are a bit critical, passive aggressive, that don't really want the best for you, that are a bit jealous, or people that would be manipulative. Don't forget that your network is your net worth. You can always improve your network. You can always know more people and get to know more people and change your network. Next point I would say would be give your energy carefully. You have to be selective. So think that your time and your energy are like money and they are extremely valuable. You have to be responsible with that currency, because you don't have an endless amount of time and energy. A lot of businessmen and businesswomen, they understand that. Their time is valuable, they do understand that, otherwise they're gonna lose money. They're gonna lose energy. So my next point would be avoid negative people and people that do not respect your point of view, your way of living. I mean, negative people are so annoying. I prefer surrounding myself with positive people. I'm always super positive personally. I'm very cheerful, joyful. I love to just dance. I love to laugh. I love anything that's just positive. Of course, you can't always be positive, but positivity in general, trying to be as happy as possible and focusing on the positive aspect of life, or the things that you like, not complaining so much. Like, you have some people that would complain non-stop, and it's not a good thing. Your positivity and your energy are precious, and it should be kept preciously. People that are more happy and joyful are so rare. So how to find like-minded friends, because that was the title of the video. How to find them, how to find like-minded women. And how to make friends. This is a really big question, because a lot of people ask me for this, like, how do I make friends? How do I meet friends? And especially women, and especially like-minded women that think a bit like us. And as elegant ladies, we're going to have refined taste and loving, you know, certain things. I noticed something is that my friends that I had in the past, we don't want to do the same things. Like, I want to go in certain places that are more sophisticated. Like, I love traveling, but in a way that is more classy and sophisticated. I love architecture, I love visiting things, and I love to be comfortable, I love comfort, and I love to be in a beautiful hotel. But some people don't like this. Some people have other tastes and they just want to have something more simple, and I personally don't like simple things. I think I love extravagance. So, you know, finding people with who you click is so hard, especially as adults. It's so much easier when you are in school. As adults, it's really hard to make friends. So I would say doing activities that you enjoy, that you like. Well, I did a full playlist on feminine activities that make you put in your feminine energy, and I really love those activities. I really recommend them, like dancing, taking classes of cooking, taking Zumba classes, I don't know, anything that brings you joy, and then you're going to meet people with who you're gonna click, and then you're going to meet more people, more women. You're going to make friends, but are you going to make like-minded friends? That's the question. Not necessarily, because how we think on this channel and like the femininity level up community is kind of a small community. It's not everybody that think like this, and if you really want to find people with who you're going to level up together, because it's always more fun to level up together and travel and do things together and exchange with each other, I would say that online and with this YouTube channel you do have a full community of women that are like-minded women and that think the same way. So on my YouTube channel, on the comments, and I created for you, my darlings, totally free, a Discord of like-minded women where we can all join and exchange our experiences and ask questions to each other and make friends, because that's the number one question that you ask. How do I make friends? How do I find like-minded women? I made a Discord about it. Don't hesitate to join the Discord. It's linked below, and it's the Liza's Darling member community, and we talk about so many different subjects, and I love to see you in this community. For the ladies that are in the Discord, I am in love. Every time I see your conversations, I am completely in love with the mentality and the support, and you're so supportive. The support and the advice, all there, very invested, and I really want to thank you all. Thank you to all of the lovely ladies that are on my Discord, because I think you're incredible. And if we can build a big community of like-minded women that help each other, and if we can even make meetups, you know, we can meet each other. And probably the next time that I'm going to travel, I'm going to try to organize that. I'm going to try to organize a little meetup to meet each other, because that would be absolutely lovely. Because your network is your net worth. You need people around you. You need like-minded women. It's very important to make a network. You also have Facebook groups. Online it's really easy to find like-minded women. It's easier online than it is outside, because outside it's a bit like the lottery. You don't really know if you're gonna find someone that think a bit like you, but online, because we have this community of women that exchange, are interested in the same subject, then you can totally make friends that are thinking exactly like you, that are having kind of the same taste as you, and this is absolutely lovely. I would say normally if you want to meet some elegant ladies, places like a country club, so a club that you join and where you meet people, it's easier to meet people once you're in a couple. So for my ladies that have a partner or that have a husband, it's easier for you to meet other couple. I don't know why, but it's just how it is, and you can really meet people that are very educated, that are very elegant on those country club, on those elite kind of club. You can join them. I mean, some of them are more expensive than others. You can just see, or you can join activities as a couple and meet other couple, or like activities as a single person and meet other single women. And I think seriously, as women, we should help each other out. I think that there's so many women that are jealous and bitter against each other, that are comparing, competition, and I think it's such a waste of time. As high value woman, a high value woman is not in competition. You're not in competition with everybody. You're not comparing yourself. You are appreciating another woman succeeding, and you're inspired by that. You can be inspired by her success instead of being jealous.
And he asked me to marry him.
Oh my God!
Wow,
Congratulations!
sweetie, that's great.
Look at that ring!
I know. He had it made based on the one that Richard Burton gave Elizabeth Taylor. Well, it is fabulous.
Even more fabulous than your first one.
I think we should help each other and being more of a sisterhood. And really, men are doing this, you know? Men are doing this, they're helping each other. That's why they're ruling the world. Women are more against each other. And I think that if women joined each other, and if women build each other up instead of down, they would have so much more success, because your network can really change your entire life. Through your network, you can have access to so many opportunities. Also, as human beings, we have a deep need for being socially accepted. So it's proven apparently that if we are more socially accepted, we feel happier. My next advice is like finding similar interests. So once you find those people, for example, online, you can find similar interests. to kind of get to know each other. So you need something that is similar. You need something to bring you together. As an adult, it's harder than when you're in school and you just say, oh, do you want to play with me? It was so easy in school. But when you're an adult, you need to have shared interests, shared like activities, something that you have in common. So you can totally make friendships through asking about fashion, asking about art, activities, tennis, a movie. You know, we can make, actually that would be a good idea, to make a movie club or a book club on my Discord. What do you think of that idea? That would be so fun. We can all share with each other and get to know each other. I would say also being patient, because making friends, it takes time. It takes time, it takes dedication. It's important to be patient, to get to know the person, to really focus on the person and give your energy and give to the people, because it's reciprocal. It's something that you have to give and the other person have to give as well. You have to give your time, you have to give your energy, you have to get to know the person, you have to invest yourself in the person and cultivate those friendships and really making effort. Just like in any relationships, you have to make effort to maintain the relationship. Sometimes I feel like nowadays people don't know how to make friends anymore. They don't know how to cultivate the relationships. But you have to really make an effort to just keep your friends, keep your friendship alive. It's just like with a man. I don't want you to just have your man. I want you to also have lovely friends, lovely ladies all together.
Read it and weep, my friends.
I'm sorry I can't. Don't hate me.
That sure felt good saying it right now, even to you.
Well, that's what we're here for.
And we can have fun. What do you think? We can have fun on the Discord, and I really encourage you to join the Discord, and maybe I can organize some little events on it. Maybe I can organize some meetup. I don't know how I will do it, but we will make sure to organize this all together. So thank you for watching, my darlings. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments down below if you already joined the Discord. What other ideas do you have? Let me know what other ideas do you have, because this community is so incredible and so precious, and I'm so thankful for all of you here to follow me. I'm so honored to have such a beautiful community, so I want to thank you, all of you. And also don't forget to subscribe, of course. Join me as well on my Instagram. If you want also some more personal advice, don't hesitate to join the Patreon. And what do you think of my dress? It's so princessy, it's super pink. It makes me think of Legally Blonde, that's why I bought it. And I love the ornaments here. It's just absolutely stunning. A lot of lace like this. It makes me think of an Arabic princess. I love it. And until next time, I'm giving you so much kisses and take care of you. Mwah.